Yeah. We're going into London.
Next stop.
The Spitfire.
Next stop is we're going to London to see the Spitfire outside Churchill's War Rooms.
Yep.
First stop is graveyard, the cemetery in near Fuller's, and then we're going to see Fred Hitch's grave. He's the one that fought at Rorke's Drift. We're going now along the A4. Look out, speed camera. Speed camera's up here.
Concentrate on the road. That's right.
That's it. Ah! And it's bloody hot. Buckingham Palace.
Go for it.
Right. Car coming, I'll come alongside you. Oh, Billy.
Auto reserve.
We last.
This is Buckingham Palace. Buckingham. Is he bibbing us? Hey!
What's the taxis that don't like it?
Nah. Pull over up here.